So let's talk about something interesting today. आज चाहिँ सोफाईको अर्निङ थियो अनि सोफाईले चाहिँ आफ्नो 2025 को Q4 को अर्निङ दिइरहेको थियो आज अनि एज अफ अर्निङ रिपोर्ट दे हेभ डन $1.01 billion in revenue in Q4 in 2025, which is 37% year-over-year growth. That's great. एकदमै राम्रो हो त्यो चाहिँ अनि अर्निङको एक्सपेक्टेसन 0.12 थियो, विच दे हेभ बेटेड सक्सेसफुली. उनीहरूको नेट इन्कम $173 देखि $174 million को बिचमा थियो. उनीहरूले चाहिँ Q4 मा 1 million मेम्बरहरू एड गर्यो अनि विच ब्रिङ्स देयर टोटल मेम्बर नम्बर टु 13.7 million. अनि यति राम्रो अर्निङ हुँदाहुँदै पनि किन सोफाईको स्टक डिक्लाइन भयो त आज? So there are few possible reasons, few actual reasons I will say. So number one is small growth over expectation. Although सोफाईले आफ्नो अर्निङ बिट गर्यो 0.12 EPS को, but their EPS was only 0.13, so they have only beaten their EPS by 0.01, which is not a great number. So it was very small growth over expectation. And also about their share dilution. So finally, I think Q4 ma they have diluted their share twice. Growing companyहरूले आफ्नो share dilute गरेर आफ्नो फन्ड रेज गर्नु त ठिकै पनि हो, बट उनीहरूले आफ्नो रेज गरेको क्यापिटल केमा युज गर्यो भनेर चाहिँ राम्ररी सायद इन्भेस्टरहरूलाई नभनेको कारणले पनि सेयर डिक्लाइन भएको हुनसक्छ. अनि अल्सो प्लस अहिले चाहिँ टेक सेक्टर नै एकदम भोलाटाइल देखिरहेको छ मार्केटमा अनि जसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ ग्रोथ स्टकहरू हुन्छ नि जस्तै सोफाईहरू चाहिँ एकदम विक देखिरहेको छ सबैको अगाडि. I think so those can be the very few reasons why SoFi declines today, although they have very good earnings. So मैले चाहिँ सोफाईको सेयर भ्यालु $8 per सेयर भएकोदेखि इन्भेस्ट गर्न स्टार्ट गरेको थिएँ. अहिले इट्स अराउन्ड $24, so that's around 3x, so that is around 200% return. I believe SoFi will do great in the long term. It's short term it's just very volatile अहिले अनि I hope SoFi is gonna keep doing great. They are expanding their products, they are into crypto business अहिले, they are into so much of things and I hope they will do good. Let's see what market brings for us.